All right, we're gonna switch out this part of the headlight, the turn signal light, for some new ones. Let's see these smoke lights and see how they look. Basically, all we need to do is there's a tab. See the look at the new one. There's a tab right here, which goes back here. We need to stick that. That just pops out. Here we are. These come out like that. It's the old one. It's the new one. They look the same. Take that off. All right. Got those off. These should just go in. And then should just be able to click. All right, one side down. Over here, pop this side out. Okay. Okay. Easy as. Okay.